Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hello, my name is Irma. Feel free to call me Irmita. And if this is your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh time watching me, welcome back. I really did miss you. So in today's video, I have a super simple look for you guys. Something that if you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, this is the go-to look for you. You can see my face is really glowy. It looks really good. And I only used a couple things. So if you want to know what I used, how to achieve this look, keep on watching. So the first thing we want to do is moisturize our face. I am currently using the Yes to Coconuts Mystified Moisturizer. And I'm going to spray this all over my face. I love this stuff. It smells so good. And it gives your face a glowy look. And that's exactly what we want. The next step would be to apply your favorite sunscreen. Please apply sunscreen, guys. You don't know how important this is to our skin. The one I'm going to be using today is a Copper Tone Defend and Care for Face. This is oil-free. It won't clog your pores. It's an 80-minute wear and it's waterproof. I think it's a win, at least in my book. I'm going to warm this product up in my fingers. Then I'm going to apply it to my skin. I even applied on my lips, guys. That's how much I protect my skin from the sun. Whatever I have left, I like to put it in the back of my hands. So then now the next step would be the foundation. I'm currently in love with the Lancome one. I am in the shade 270 Bis W. And I'm going to mix this with a liquid illuminator. This is from NYX and this is in the color 02 Gleam. I'm going to mix these up. Feel free to use whatever foundation you like. You don't have to use this one, you know, use whatever you have at home. Now I'm going to mix them. Now I'm mixing my foundation with a liquid illuminator because we want our face to be glowy. And then anytime you mix something with your foundation, I feel that the coverage goes down and it looks more natural. So apply it all over your skin. Go ahead and buff it out now. So how is everybody doing today? Hopefully you are doing amazing. I am sending nothing but positive vibes your way. Let me know something positive that happened to you today. Let's get those comments going. You guys can tell. Look at the luminosity in my face. Oh my god, I love this. Like my skin has coverage, but it looks glowy, dewy, natural at the same time. And I love how this looks. So the next step would be to add your concealer. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty in Coconut Flakes. It's the Overachiever Concealer. I'm going to apply a little bit of that. And then I'm also going to apply the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. And I'm going to buff this out with a brush. This is from Morphe. Whatever I have on the brush, I like to put it on top of my eyelid to cancel out some of the colors. And then going to the next eye. And then whatever I have left on the brush, I like to go around my mouth, around my nose, and the forehead. So I do have dark under eyes. I'm going to set my concealer with some translucent powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier one and a blending brush. And I'm going to set this concealer. Try not to use a lot of powder because we do want this to be a dewy look. Then the next step would be the eyebrows. I'm using Precisely My Brow in the number 4. And I'm going to fill these in a bit since this is more on the natural side. We don't want to have no Instagram brows. We just want something really, really simple and soft. There we go. Now that we have our eyebrows done, the next step would be the lashes. So I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. So then the last step, yes, we're finally on the last step. We're going to be adding a lips product. Feel free to add whatever you want. In this case, I'm using the Hi-Fi Shine from Urban Decay and Fuel. Looks like this. And it's just a really pretty lip gloss. And this is the final look. You can see that my skin looks very dewy, very fresh. It's like your skin, but better. I really like this technique. I love how my face looks. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see a skin routine, please let me know in the comments. I would love to make one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, comment. And that's it for this video. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Live open, vividly,